Welcome all of you to another video of Maths Made Easy. Now in this video I'm going to take up what 8th standard children going to 8th standard how should they make use of their vacation. That is what I'm going to tell you today. Sometimes it's a big question, which chapters to study. Okay, which are the chapters? My work shouldn't go waste in the vacation. Okay, how can I be better prepared for 8th standard? Okay, now that is what exactly I'm going to discuss today. There are three topics. There are three topics that you must do in the vacations, which will help you in classes once the school starts in June. Okay, so let's start quickly. Okay, first. Now, which is the very first topic that I am going to say? Remember, the last topic that I am going to mention today is the most important topic. Okay, I keep telling it for 8th, for 9th, and even in 10th standard, I see children suffering from that topic. Okay, so let's see what is the first topic first. The very first thing is algebra. Now, algebra for you all, how much you have done in 7th standard is you have done addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of algebraic expressions. If you practice that much very well, okay, you should keep on practicing only addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That is for multiplication specially, you have to learn trinomial with a trinomial. Okay, trinomial with a trinomial, like this. Okay, so especially this kind of binomial with a binomial or even trinomial with a binomial, things like that. Okay, so binomial with a trinomial. Okay, so these are the things you will have to know very well. Division also they don't teach you much division, but there will be small divisions where you might have to cancellation, so there will be small divisions, okay, where you do cancellations, that type of division you should know in the vacation, because in 8th standard they are going to teach a different type of division, which is a long division like this, like you divide normal numbers. You put the 32 here and the 8 here and you divide, right? Like that they are going to teach in algebra in 8th standard. So you should learn regular cancellation of divisions till that is actually taught till 7th. That much you should know before the school starts. Okay, so next what is the second chapter that you should know very well? Okay, why I am telling this is because in 8th standard children start feeling difficult, and it is in 8th standard only that many times I have heard parents complaining that till 7th he was okay, but starting 8th he started doing not so good in maths. He started falling behind in maths in starting from 8th standard. Algebra and integers is one big reason if you are not doing well in the higher classes. Okay, so see to it that you know your algebra well before your classes start in 8th standard. The next one is, the second one is this percentage. Yes, I think I'm right. This is one chapter. When the long problem sums come, everybody is scared. So what I want to tell you is, from your 7th standard textbook, if you have not completed the exercises, do it now. Complete them. Get 2-3 more textbooks and finish percentage over and over again, because this is not useless. It is going to come as a percentage chapter also in 8th standard, and then percentage keeps coming till your 10th standard everywhere. Okay, so you can't escape this. In every long question there will be a little bit of percentage. So your idea of percentage should be very good. That is why I am telling. And under percentage only, percentage and its applications, you will find this chapter. Okay, profit and loss. Do this also. I will say do this. Why I am saying do this is, if you do this, you will get profit and loss once again in 8th standard, and then the sums become very difficult. So here, simple questions of profit and loss, what you should do is you should take some more 7th standard textbooks and do it again, or maybe you should open up your new 8th standard book and do the first few sums at least. Okay, so you should be very well versed with these two topics, very well versed, so that when the new type of question comes, you are not surprised or you don't find them difficult. Let's see now what is the third thing I'm going to tell. Now the third chapter and the most important chapter is this. Earlier they used to teach this in 8th standard. Now they are teaching it in 6th also, they are teaching it in 7th also. Linear equations in one variable. This is the chapter you must do wherever you get sums from. Let me tell you this very clearly. Any number of textbooks, do it. Okay, so because what will happen is in 8th standard they are going to start with problem sums of linear equations. So first you should know your solving linear equations. Okay, that is either cross multiplication. Okay, you either do cross multiplication or what is the other thing you do? You take from the other side of the equal to sign to this side. So you change, you take the cross the equal to sign, and every time there is a change in sign. Okay, so that is change in sign across the equal to sign. So sums based on these two things, you do it over and over again. Linear equations has a wide variety of questions. Okay, some will even be fraction types. There will be LCM types. Everyone, each of one of these questions, as I said, get as many books as possible and do all the sums. You should be very, very good at this. Okay, I have my videos on linear equation, you can check them. I also have my videos on problem sums of linear equations. I'll put all the links in the description box, you can check. Okay, percentage also I have the videos, algebraic expressions also I have videos. So whatever I'm talking about, I have videos. I'll put the links in the description box. Go through them. You'll have a very good idea about the chapter and then do these things. Okay, so after watching my videos, maybe you'll have a good idea even to start with your 8th standard syllabus. Okay, so right now whatever I am saying is you have to keep yourself prepared for 8th standard with these three topics. Okay, so if you are going to 8th standard, you need not start with problem sums of linear equations. You don't have to start with problem sums. Okay, because problem sums, they are going to start later. So if you just do only solving linear equation sums, that is enough. Okay. So children, this is it. These are the three chapters that you should do as I told, and all the links you'll find in the description box. Okay. So other than this, you'll find other videos. Also check the 8th standard playlist. You'll find many other videos. I have a 7th standard playlist also. You can check there for any doubts in any topic that you had in 7th standard. Okay, so that is it for today. Otherwise, enjoy your vacations and wish you good luck for the next academic year. Also, if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it now, because I'm going to upload a lot of videos in 8th standard science, 8th standard maths, okay, exam questions, revision questions, many things will be uploaded very soon. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and you can leave a comment behind if you find whatever I say is useful. Okay then, bye then.